we'll guide you through how to install Dropbox on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and head over to the official Dropbox website. Once there, locate and click on the download button for Windows. This will start downloading the Dropbox installer to your computer. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the Dropbox installer file, which usually ends in .exe. Double-click it to start the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The installer will then begin the installation process. You may need to wait a few moments for it to complete, depending on your internet speed and computer performance. Once Dropbox is installed, it will automatically open and prompt you to either log in or create a new account if you haven't done so already. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and sign in. If not, click on the Sign Up option and fill in the required information to create a new account. After logging in, you'll see the Dropbox folder appear on your desktop or in your File Explorer. This is where you can start adding and organizing your files. Remember, any file you drag into this folder will be automatically synced to your Dropbox cloud storage. This means you can access these files from any device with Dropbox installed. It's a great way to keep your important files backed up and accessible anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.